So आज हम यहाँ पे Galentine celebrate करने के लिए मिले थे and I'm really loving the way she has packed the entire thing, all girly thing. So I hope she gives me one. Gauri, please explain how you made it और आपने कैसे बनाया and what all things you have included in this beautiful box.
Okay, sure. So we had a fantastic event today. What we did was we got everybody across to come and make their own desserts, curate and DIY. So it was a do-it-yourself dessert, and you made it for your loved one and decorated with them these sugar roses that we make in-house, and everybody got to take it home with them. So it was an amazing activity.
So Gauri, आपने audience और viewers को ये भी बताओ ना इसमें क्या क्या use करा है, how you have made it.
So we used over 12 elements, and we did everything from caramel sauce to chocolate cake to vanilla, fresh strawberries, strawberry compote. The list is really long, but everybody loved it. It was incredible.
Oh, this looks so yum, so I'm really excited and looking forward to taste it. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing that. That was really nice to meet you.
Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes.
Chef Gauri did a great job. She explained to us what were the various layers, like there's chocolate crumble, there's cream, there's ganache, and there are these embellishments and sprinkles. And we created our own dessert for Valentine.
Okay guys, so Valentine's Day is around the corner, and who said Valentine is just about the loved ones or girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, or just about the partners? But today I'm here with Kanika, the one who is the director of Shikhar Dhawan Foundation, and today she's going to tell me and share that Valentine's Day could also be about the Galentine Day and more about how she celebrates and feels about the same day. So yes, Kanika.
Hi, so we are here today at Walking the Clouds Khan Market, celebrating a very different version of Valentine's with my Galentine here. And on a normal day we would do it with our partners, but then partners can be anybody, they don't have to be men necessarily. So today we celebrated a lot with our women, creating our favorite desserts with confect, Chef Gauri Verma, making some fantastic yummy desserts, drinking some nice drinks, enjoying a wonderful evening with my ladies.
So see guys, as you people just heard Kanika, that Valentine's Day is not just about the loved ones and about the partners, but this is how the way Kanika will spread out her love to all the communities, the same thing even you guys can do. So from now onwards, change the version and the vocab and the definition of Valentine's Day for your 14th.
Share the love.
For such more videos and updates, don't forget to follow mialakra on Instagram by the name of mialakra official, and Trends9 on all social media platforms, be it your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and of course the website www.trends9.com. So yes, thank you so much.
Give my credit card what they would.